in Kerala case of love gone wrong has now become a test for the law. The suicide of 23-year-old student Sona Eldus has triggered outrage and a bigger question. How do you prove abetment in such cases? And what are the red flags in a relationship that can signal some kind of a danger? Sona Eldos's suicide note leaves little ambiguity. She accused her boyfriend Ramiz of pressurizing her to convert to Islam before marriage, a demand allegedly accompanied by assault and harassment. Initially, it was treated as an unnatural death, but the case took a serious turn after the note's recovery. Police have now charged Ramiz under the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita for abetment to suicide. But legally, proving abetment is rarely straightforward. Now, look at Sona's case. Persecutors will need to demonstrate that the pressure to convert, coupled with the alleged assault at Ramiz's home, crossed from disagreement into deliberate mental cruelty, enough to perhaps drive her to take her life. A 10-member SIT led by Muvattapura Deputy SP Baiju is probing the death of 26-year-old Sona in Kottamangalam. Police have recorded her family statement and will re-record her friends. The SIT may name her parents also as accused and will seek custody of Ramiz today. Sona's mother also demanded an NIA probe into the death by suicide. The case has also taken on political overtones. The BJP state vice president, Sean George, has called it a clear case of love jihad, alleging police tried to convince the family not to raise the conversion issue.
Clean case of love jihad. കേരളത്തിൽ ഇങ്ങനെ വളരെ ദൗർഭാഗ്യകരമായ സംഭവം. മതം മാറ്റാൻ പറയുന്നത് മാത്രമല്ല, മതം മാറാൻ വേണ്ടി നിർബന്ധിക്കുകയും ആ കൊച്ചിനെ കൂട്ടിയിട്ട് പീഡിപ്പിക്കുകയും ചെയ്തു. ഈ യാഥാർത്ഥ്യങ്ങളൊക്കെ ആ കൊച്ചിയുടെ കത്തിലൂടെയാണ് കുടുംബം അറിയാൻ കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ടുള്ളത്. ഇത് കേരളത്തിന്റെ മനസാക്ഷിയെ ഞെട്ടിക്കുന്ന വലിയൊരു കേസാണ്. പല കുടുംബങ്ങളിലും ഈ കുട്ടിയുടെ ആത്മഹത്യയിലൂടെയാണ് ഇത് പുറത്തു വന്നത്. ഇത് കേരളത്തിലെ ഈ ഒരാഴ്ചയിൽ മാത്രം ലവ് ജിഹാദുമായി ബന്ധപ്പെട്ട് മൂന്നാമത്തെ പരാതിയാണ് എനിക്ക് ലഭിക്കുന്നത്. സമാനമായ കൊട്ടാരക്കരയിൽ സമാനമായ സാഹചര്യമുണ്ടായി. പോയിട്ട് ആ കുട്ടിയെ തിരിച്ച് വീട്ടുകാർ പിടിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് വന്നു. ഇപ്പോൾ ആ കുടുംബത്തിന് വലിയ ഭീഷണി നേരിടുകയാണ്. നിലമ്പൂരിൽ ഇന്നലെ ഒരു വൈദികൻ എന്നെ വിളിച്ചു. അദ്ദേഹത്തിന്റെ പെങ്ങടെ കൊച്ച് ഇതുപോലെ തന്നെ തട്ടിക്കൊണ്ടു. ലവ് ജിഹാദ്, പ്ലെയിൻ കേസ് ഓഫ് ലവ് ജിഹാദ്.
Well, if you look at from the prism of politics, then it's a battle over religious conversion, and the law will have to focus on facts, intent, and the chain of causation to determine if this was simply a failed relationship or a criminal case of harassment leading to death. Let's understand this. I mean, we're trying to understand two aspects of it. Where is the abetment here? And number two, we're not saying that there is none. We're trying to figure out and define it. And number two, for a lot of young people who are in relationships, what are the red flags, in romantic liaisons like this? Dr. Nisha Khanna, relationship counselor and senior psychologist, is with us. We should also be joined by an advocate from the Kerala High Court shortly. Dr. Nisha Khanna, thank you so much for joining us on this broadcast. For me, if you ask me, I'm not an expert, you are. The red flag for me is, look at this, according to reports, Sona had left her home and moved in with Ramiz after he promised to marry her without religious conversion. Do you think that question should even come up about religious conversion? And should the girl have moved in with a man knowing full well that she may or may not do what the man wants her to do, Dr. Khanna?
I would say definitely this was the red flag, because any person who is in love with you will never think of even changing the religion. But this is also I would say, the experience in large so many cases. If you see, when somebody, the particular, I'm talking about the community, when this particular community people want their partner to change their religion, and then they want to get settled down or marry. Now, when you love someone, it's beyond religion, it's beyond any culture, it is beyond any background the person is having or not having. And two people, when they are in love, these things doesn't bother whether which religion they belong to, which culture they belong to. So one thing is, this was really a highlighting thing, that when when even I was reading the newspaper where it was written then that he was talking about no conversion and conversion. So talking about conversion and no conversion is also again a topic we are talking about, that two people don't have a compatibility. For a particular
Khanna,
person,
Dr.
the
Khanna, Dr.
religion is more
Khanna.
important.
Dr. Khanna, I didn't want to make it a love jihad. I just don't like that. Because I belong to this country where, I think jihad is a word, I'm sticking my neck out as a journalist, is taken out of context. Dr. Khanna, if this is a red flag, let me tell you, in the other community, in case of my mother particularly, there were lots of cases where the name that you were named by your parents, once you got married, your name was changed. Did you know this, Dr. Khanna?
Yes.
Someone who
Yes,
was
yes,
called
yes.
Nisha in her
Yeah.
mother's house, natal home, once she marries, then she's called Uma. You change your
Yes.
entire identity of a person. Isn't that a
Yes,
red flag as
yes.
well? I'm just asking you. How
No,
can
this
Sudha?
is the patriarchy. But this is the patriarchy culture we
Patriarchy,
can talk about. You have leaving
patriarchy,
your own identity.
absolutely.
There is no doubt.
Also,
That
I
is
want to ask, I want to bring, because this is a young woman. She moves in with this man because there is a question mark over conversion. Later, she's harassed. Apparently, now this is what I want to ask the lawyer: how do you prove that she was harassed? But the point of the matter is, even the parents have met. Sona's parents allegedly met with Ramesh. Now, even there, it is there very, very clearly that, the deceased was allegedly, no, Ramesh met the family, and in order to get legally married, and they said that, we were meeting, and then they said that she found that he was cheating on her. And also the parents said that, we agreed to their condition to convert the religion. Ki theek hai, why don't you get married? For me, red flag. Why are the parents even accepting such a condition? Like you say, if two people are in love and there is love, which which is above everything else, what is the reason? It's not his parents who are doing it, your parents, Sona's parents have accepted it. But why would they do that, Dr. Khanna? Tell me.
I think so. It's because of the culture, the norms, our society is like that. It may be the way you said it, it is beyond the culture. That's why I said it is not in the community itself, but sometimes the cultural differences are there. That's why it happens. Not about talking the community, but it is again about when someone is talking about that questioning your identity. Second thing is when you are saying it that he caught the person while doing cheating. So cheating is again one of the sign of infidelity, control and manipulation, hiding facts, dishonesty, uh, lying, manipulation, emotional unavailability, when you are into making more efforts and from other persons and there are no efforts. All these are most of the times the red signs, red flags for any woman or a man who are into a relationship. In this
That
relationship
age.
where
And
yeah,
Dr. Khanna, I have kids that age. Let me tell you, I would tell Ramesh if he was my son. After all, Ramesh would have said convert, don't convert, become one, culturally trying to merge with us, because obviously he's under pressure from his parents. I mean, I think Ramesh lacked maturity, emotional maturity to deal with a relationship. Isn't that a red flag? Where you say something one day, then you say something else the next day. You are talking, but tomorrow you talk on behalf of your parents. What does it mean? You're not mature enough for a romantic liaison at all. Don't you think that's a big red flag for all the young people or the parents of which you are watching this show?
in indecisiveness, when you are saying that
Yes.
emotional instability is the sign when you a person is thinking, not thinking, getting into the relationship, changing the religion, not changing the religion. That is indecisiveness itself is a sign. Maybe I do not know what sort of relationship they were having, but definitely when any relationship is going through such in the extent the person is thinking about. And again, how's the mental health of the girl as well as the boy? I will talk about both the things, both partners mental health, because that's very important. If someone is cheating on you, someone is promising you, why someone will try to take the life of the one? How one person is more important and centered of your life that you try to harm yourself and want to finish your life just because of that particular person? So this is the drawback of our society or our born and brought up, where we think that relationship is the utmost important thing in our life. And beyond that relationship, and when we are in love or we got intimate with someone, we never think of our life beyond that person. I would say before coming
Khanna,
to
I
the
also
show,
feel, I feel my heart goes out to Sona, but the point is, you're right. If someone has cheated on you, if someone is harassing you allegedly, if someone is putting pressure on you, why should you do yourself in? I think it's the most flimsy reason. Life is priceless. For all those people who are watching this show, never ever even think of such things. I think this is only a small part of your life. Life is huge. I think somewhere even that is, shows the person to be very emotionally weak. Wouldn't you agree, Dr. Khanna?
yeah, sometimes there's a trauma bond relationship also. When you have in the past any sort of trauma from your childhood, when you think that if the other person is controlling, and as we go to the most known patterns which we observed in our childhood
All right.
times, how was the caregiver and the basic person's relationship? As I'm a psychologist or a marriage counselor, so I can correlate that it may be because of the past, what sort of relationship a child is having with the parents or the
All right.
caregivers.